This channel is designed to support the numerous colleagues, friends and acquaintances who have asked me for advice on how to transition from certain information technology (IT) roles into the IT security world. When I first started to transition in my own career, I too wondered how I could make such a jump. Because of that, I decided to have a channel that would be easy to digest and create something that I wish I had during that transition period. This channel is intended for technical people at the beginning stages of trying to figure a way to break into the IT security. This channel is also for those who would simply like to understand the world of security better and learn to secure their own network or secure their company's network better. When it comes to security, we are all newbies, as technology changes require constant learning and training. So why choose this channel? While there are some great channels out there, I felt that there weren't any which completely dedicated their content to the beginners looking to make the transition into IT security. I started off in the information security and electronic discovery field right out of college and stayed in that industry for over 7 years. It did not go in depth into the information security field at that time. While I was a technical person, I wasn't anywhere close to being a penetration tester, hacker, and security analyst, although I had always had a passion for it. There was no guidance to provide tips and ideas for advancing in that field. I made my way back to the field after taking a master's program at IP University, Dwarka. That program included getting a few certifications. Having those certifications allowed me to get my foot in the door at a security firm, and the rest is history. No class beats hands-on learning. I truly believe that the more good people we have in IT security, the better off the world will become. Thanks for visiting my channel and providing your insights. Contact us with any questions or topics that you would like us to address in the near future. Link in description of my social media accounts, please check. Now subscribe the channel if you are interested and want to learn ethical hacking.